What's going on, guys? As some of you might know, we got our hands on one of the new Ford Broncos. Now, the first thing we did when we got it was we put a set of 37-inch Toyo MT tires wrapped around a set of 17-inch Innovate G500 wheels. Now, with that greater rolling mass, we felt like this thing could use some additional braking power. So we called on our friends over at Alcon brakes and got one of their bolt-on big brake kits for the front of our Bronco. Just like the name implies, this is a fully bolt-on kit. You're not needing to weld, cut, bend, drill, any of that. It comes with the bracketry, the hardware utilizes your factory lines, and you get a 6-piston caliper and a much larger 2-piece rotor. With these kits, we're able to achieve up to 12% reduction in disc temperature rise, up to 23% reduction in pad work rate, which leads to a corresponding upswing in pad life, up to 6% decrease in pedal effort, and up to 6% increase in available brake torque. Stay tuned because we got a bunch more parts to throw at this Bronco. Like always, we appreciate you watching and we'll see you in the next one.